competed yesterday.
Time now for First Look forecast tonight at 6 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, I just got a notification from CNN on my phone, 5.1 magnitude earthquake just rocking Southern California. So we're going to stay on that story and bring you updates about that as they come through.
Wow, earthquake as well as
hurricane.
Yeah, and thankfully that is weakened to a tropical storm, but still heavy rain being the primary concern for that area. And it doesn't usually see a lot of that rain, so.
Right.
But here locally, it's been very nice. In fact, perfect weather even, as said, for some of those events today, for those parades. In fact, I would say, bringing out the ice cream forecast graphic for this evening as well. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s, with a few drips possible with your ice cream cone. But again, just fantastic outdoor weather this evening, with increasing clouds tonight, ahead of some rain showers. Although spotty, nothing major arriving by early tomorrow morning. Things are currently quiet on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Our weather headlines, again, pleasant weather this evening. We do have increasing clouds tonight, and we have spotty light rain showers expected for Monday morning. And besides that, though, we are looking at very dry weather for the near term, at least until Thursday and Friday. But again, this evening, temperatures in the low 70s, with pleasant conditions. We'll talk a little bit more about what to expect for the week ahead coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The 76th annual Wood.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. It's been a very pleasant day across central New York with high temperatures climbing up into the upper 70s. Here's a live look at downtown Utica from our Nexus camera. Again, gorgeous blue skies, great outdoor weather. We've been wanting some more summer-like weather for the near term, and thankfully we got some at least for the second half of this weekend. Still breezy yesterday, but plenty of sunshine. In a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are currently quiet and dry across central New York for the time being. And temperatures are still hovering in the mid to upper 70s. Besides the North Country, a little cooler, 70 in Big Moose, 72 Inlet. In the Mohawk Valley, 78 Whitesboro, 75 Westmoreland, 79 degrees in Little Falls. And to the southern valleys, temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s, 83 Sherburne, 79 Cooperstown, and 75 degrees in Skenevis. Now taking a look at the week ahead, looking more summer-like besides warmer temperatures. We'll take the 70s though with low humidity any time of the day. So again for Monday, spotty rain showers in the morning from a moisture-starved cold front. The evening does look dry with sunshine, and that clear weather does continue for Tuesday as well as Wednesday. Very nice days for both of those days with, again, plenty of sunshine and low humidity. Rain chances begin to increase Thursday and Friday, both with dry conditions for the start, with a chance for some evening showers for Thursday, and then scattered showers and storms are possible for Friday. And again, talking about the humidity outlook, we're going to be humid for tomorrow ahead of that cold front, but besides that, things look very comfy in terms of humidity for Tuesday through Thursday. And the reason why is the bigger picture right here showing a very strong high pressure system out in the central part of the U.S. This is steering weather systems over Canada into central New York, and because of that, we're going to be experiencing lower humidity and slightly cooler temperatures as winds will be generally from the north and west. So our skycast showing increasing clouds tonight, increasing humidity as well, so lows only falling into the mid 60s. Spotty light showers with mostly cloudy skies to start out your Monday. Nothing major in terms of rainfall, but things do quiet down with plenty of sunshine by Monday evening as highs approach the mid 70s. And then looking at clear skies Monday night into Tuesday with plenty of sunshine for Tuesday afternoon. Again, possibly looking at a top 10 day for both Tuesday as well as Wednesday. So recap for tonight, low of 67 degrees, mostly cloudy, a spotty shower or two. A spotty AM shower to start out your Monday with evening sun. Our 7-day forecast, we do have dry weather lasting until the early part of Thursday with a very low chance of rain Thursday evening. Those rain showers do continue at least until Friday and parts of Saturday with only mostly cloudy skies expected for Sunday.
In Nevada, as Tropical Storm Hilary churns toward the U.S., the storm causing catastrophic damage in Mexico, it's expected to unleash fierce winds and heavy downpours in the southwest part of the U.S. Mike Valerio is in San Diego with an update on the storm's path and the details on the damage it's already causing.
Tropical Storm Hilary pummeling Baja California, Mexico on Sunday. Heavy rains causing widespread flooding. That storm now taking aim at California. Flood warnings in effect from San Diego up to Los Angeles. And on top of all of this, Southern California rocked by a magnitude 5.1 earthquake Sunday afternoon.
Hundreds of National Guards men and women, 350 that were deployed to 11 counties.
The storm is expected to dump 3 to 6 inches of rain, but some areas could see up to 10 inches. The downpours already triggering mudslides. Debris and mud spilling onto this freeway in Palmdale, just 55 miles north of Los Angeles. And outside San Diego, several huge boulders landing on Interstate 8. Officials warning people to stay off the roads.
It is critical that Angelenos stay safe and stay home unless directed otherwise by safety officials.
Over the weekend, residents scrambling to grab sandbags to protect their homes.
I've lived here for 30 years, and it has steadily gotten worse with when we have rain showers and it's backing up from the storm drain.
Crews in the LA area creating walls of sand to block the high tides from reaching buildings and homes along the water. But it's not just the Golden State that will be impacted. Southern Arizona and Nevada also expecting flooding.
We're activating all of our crew to bring supplies, start thinking about shelter positioning and ensuring that we have enough resources for the communities in the area.
In San Diego, I'm Mike Valerio reporting.
Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now with a look at this storm. And I mean, this is unprecedented, especially for Southern California, and folks may think, well, it's right on the coast. You know, they would usually expect places on the coast to be affected by hurricanes and tropical storms, but not the case out in the west.
Yeah, and what some of the meteorologists there are saying, this is possibly an historic event. I'll go into the numbers in just a second. This is the current path of the system. It's weakened into a tropical storm, no longer a hurricane, so the winds aren't the primary concern, but especially as this system is slowly moving into California north. Take a look at these rainfall totals here. 2-day rainfall totals. You can barely see it on your screen. I'll read about right here. 6.15 inches recorded in the past 2 days in LA County. Another area also saw almost 6 inches, 5.94 inches. Another location, Mescal Smiths, picking up 5.81. And the last one picking up 5.47. So in 2 days, 6 inches of rainfall.
It's not done yet.
It's not done. There's still heavy rainfall going on right now. This is going to be possibly, I don't want to say historic in my words, but at least from what they're saying, because I don't know much about the climatology out there. I wouldn't be surprised if this is some of a historic event. So, but here locally, things are thankfully way more quiet. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler the radar. We are currently dry across central New York, a small area of green up in the corner indicating some spotty rain showers arriving into our area overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. And now the main story as we get into Monday, at least for the early part of the day, as things do dry out by Monday evening. Temperatures are still in the mid-60s across central New York, not cooling down by much tonight as humidity will slowly start to rise ahead of that cold front pushing through again by early tomorrow morning. So for the most part, mostly cloudy skies tonight, a few spotty showers, temperatures falling into the mid-60s. I'll be talking about what to expect for the week ahead coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The Central New York Tunnel to Tower.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Wrapping up a beautiful day with plenty of sunshine and temperatures climbing up into the upper 70s. Things are going to be on the mild side tonight with mostly cloudy skies and a few spotty showers. Here's a live look at our Nexus camera looking at downtown Utica. You notice some of that cloud cover behind those buildings right there. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry for now, but to the northwest, we are looking at a few rounds of spotty showers. Again, nothing major. A few sprinkles, if that, at least for tonight and early tomorrow morning. And behind that, looking at very dry weather for the near future. Again, those temperatures are still on the mild side right now. 64 Westmoreland, 66 degrees in Whitesboro, 64 up north in Big Moose, and to the south, 64 degrees, Little Falls. And in the Southern Valley, 63 Cooperstown, 64 Sherburne, 63 degrees in Norwich, and 57 in Skanevis. And I mentioned before, a dry pattern moves in for the near term. After some spotty light rain showers start out your Monday, things dry out by the evening with plenty of sunshine Monday, closer to sunset. For Tuesday and Wednesday, lots of sunshine and low humidity. Fantastic summer days, although missing the summertime heat a little bit there with highs only in the mid-70s. Thursday, though, we start out dry. There is some chances for some evening showers, at least overnight into early Friday, and then a few scattered showers and storms Friday as well. So we're not in a completely dry pattern, but we'll enjoy a couple of days of plenty of sunshine. Radar and satellite shows a very strong high pressure in the central U.S. This is steering weather systems north into Canada and down into New York. And what that means is we're going to be experiencing lower humidity, more fall-like conditions, at least in terms of humidity, for the near future. And to our skycast, looking at increasing clouds tonight, looking at a few spotty showers there on the skycast right here. And as we head into tomorrow afternoon, those clouds clear out, highs approach the mid-70s. We're seeing plenty of sunshine tomorrow evening as well. Clear skies tomorrow night, lows down into the mid-50s, and then warming back up into the 70s by Tuesday afternoon, with fantastic outdoor weather, low humidity, and of course, plenty of sunshine. So recap for tonight, low 67 degrees, mostly cloudy, a few spotty showers. Those will linger into early tomorrow morning before we dry out in the evening with plenty of sun and highs in the mid-70s. Our 7-day forecast, we have dry weather expected for Tuesday and Wednesday. An isolated shower possible north of the Mohawk Valley on Wednesday. Then more spotty showers Thursday, scattered